For many investors and cryptocurrency lovers, Ethereum is a well-known altcoin. It is not just another cryptocurrency, it goes beyond that. But as far as the price goes, Ethereum is valued like any other crypto out there. So, is it valued more or less? Will Ethereum go up in the coming time, or does it have a dark future? What experts are saying about the future of Ethereum? Hi there and welcome to Ethereum Altcoin News. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, also to watch till the end. Stick with us until the very end of the video to get about the future of Ethereum. Well, let's just start with the basics. Ethereum is a blockchain-based software platform that lets users transmit and receive value on a global scale using the platform's native cryptocurrency, Ether, without the involvement of any intermediary or third party. Not only that, it is capable of a great deal more. Ethereum was developed to increase the usefulness of cryptocurrencies by offering developers the ability to construct their unique apps. These Ethereum-based applications, which are referred to as decentralized applications or dApps, are self-executing due to the use of smart contracts, in contrast to the more conventional apps. As far as the price of the crypto is concerned, throughout its relatively short existence, the price of Ethereum has been experiencing significant fluctuations. When Ethereum was first introduced in 2015, one Ether token could be purchased for just $0.43. In the years that followed, the price of Ethereum climbed all the way up to $1,422.47 at the outset of 2018, only to more than 80% 9 months later. This extraordinary volatility captured the attention of people all around the world to catch the dip, with mainstream media outlets carrying news on the price of Ether on an almost daily basis. The exposure that has been created has been a tremendous boost for the ecosystem, drawing in hundreds of new business initiatives and developers alike. The amount of money collected through initial coin offerings allowed Ethereum to reach approximately $8 billion in 2018, up from only $19 million in 2016. Over the course of the last several years, the price of Ethereum has been subject to extraordinary fluctuation, and interestingly, it is precisely this volatility that has increased interest. Every time there is a bubble followed by a crash in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum emerges on the other side with a fundamentally more strong platform and the support of a larger developer community. These fundamental changes would seem to point toward a good perspective on the price of Ethereum in the long run, and analysts foresee that its value might increase by as much as 400% in the year 2022. But 2022 had something else stored for crypto. The market came crashing down. But still, even if the price of Ether dropped below $1,200 on July 11, 2022, it has still offered a return on investment of over 17,000% since it was first launched. Ethereum's use as a software network in comparison to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is one of the aspects that sets it apart from other cryptocurrencies. This upper hand allows developers to design and run new tools, applications, and NFTs. The blockchain, which is a software network that has many uses in applications across the technological world, particularly in the gaming, music, entertainment, and decentralized finance industries. Perhaps precisely for this reason alone, it has become one of the most popular and widely used cryptocurrencies over the course of the past year. And that's why the return on investment for Ether is close to 300%. This indicates that early investors have roughly doubled the value of their investments annually. But since the prices of cryptocurrencies are highly unstable, financial experts recommend that you only invest the amount of money that you can afford to lose, and that you should never invest at the expense of more fundamental goals such as building an emergency fund or paying off high-interest debt. So, to what extent, then, do experts anticipate an increase in the price of Ether? When asked industry insiders how high they think Ethereum would go this year, each of them tempered their answer by stating that it is very difficult to forecast where the price of Ethereum will go in the future. Some analysts even predict that the price of Ethereum will be even more unpredictable than that of Bitcoin in the months ahead. And that's quite acceptable given the current dynamics of the market. And also the fact that Ethereum is in the process of upgrading its technology to a less power-hungry variant that industry insiders refer to informally as Ethereum 2.0. The improvements made to Ethereum might make it more desirable and durable for mass usage, but until that happens, industry professionals are watching to see how investors and firms who develop their technology on Ethereum's platform react to the changes. Despite the difficulty in forecasting the value of a volatile cryptocurrency, the majority of the industry professionals believe that the Ethereum's price could climb up to $4,000 once again in 2022. And according to recent forecasts made by Bloomberg intelligence analyst Mike McGlone, the price of Ethereum will end the year somewhere around $5,000. If the same optimistic upswing that began in the middle of 2021 were to continue, the cryptocurrency news source Coinpedia forecasted that the price of Ethereum might end in 2022 very high. But as we all know, the cryptocurrency market saw a massive negative dip in 2022, which made it abundantly clear that the price of Ethereum is not going to climb based just on sentiment. And secondly, even though the Ethereum development team continues to move to its second-generation upgrades, the blockchain also faces significant competition from other platforms that are filling in the holes left by the blockchain. Thereafter, Henry Arslanian, the global crypto leader for the professional services company PwC, said that Ethereum was the only show in town at the time. However, investors will need to witness better demand and usefulness for Ether's capability before the price of Ethereum can continue to rise. Other than that, according to investor and founder of crypto research and media business Token Metrics Ian Balina's statement to Next Advisor, that Ethereum can reach $8,000. Ethereum is the undeniable leader, but other blockchains are onboarding new users at a quicker rate than Ethereum is able to do owing to Ethereum's high gas prices and slow transaction speed. Continuing with another prediction, if the forthcoming transition to Ethereum 2.0 goes off without a problem, Coinpedia forecasts that the price of Ethereum will reach an even higher level of $12,962.33 in the year 2022. As of right now, the service costs associated with using Ethereum are notoriously expensive, but the new upgrade has the potential to make minting and developing goods using Ethereum more cost-effective for customers. Earlier this summer, Ethereum performed a major test merge on its Ropsten network, which is a precondition for the larger-scale software update and it plans to implement later this year. Investors and engineers are dubbing the update the merge because it will modify how transactions on Ethereum are arranged, making it more efficient and sustainable for mass usage. Experts, on the other hand, are waiting to see how investors and firms developing technology on the Ethereum platform react to the changes. So now knowing all the facts, what does the future hold? There is a broad feeling of confidence that the original smart contract blockchain will make it through this period of testing, even though there is competition in the form of Ethereum and other variables that contribute to its continuous instability. Ethereum has over 90% of the NFT market. This is going to be a very important year for Ethereum, a kind of a make or break year. There are sufficient grounds to anticipate a speedy recovery from the present downturn that Ethereum is suffering. What Ethereum has is that momentum of community that allows for a group of very smart people to discover new opportunities. But since there is no guarantee that the value of any cryptocurrency will rise in the future, financial experts recommend never investing more than 5% of their portfolio in cryptocurrency. Never invest at the risk of not meeting other financial goals, like paying off high interest debts or saving for retirement. If you have reached all of these benchmarks, the best thing that you can do is ignore the hype around your record highs or lows. This is the wisest course of action. Set it and forget it. As the saying goes, is the greatest thing you can do when it comes to conventional, long-term investment. And also, not to pull all eggs in one basket. And that should wrap things up for today. If you liked the video, make sure to check out more on the channel. Till then, see you in the next one.